Today's message: when investing, you must come to accept that every decision that you make comes with an inherent risk. You're not going to always be right. Sometimes you may miscalculate, but the difference is you regroup without collapsing. That's what we do here on Grow Rich, Grow Happy. We don't only regroup, we come back stronger. And there's an and to that. And we make sure that the risks that we do take are so calculated that it's almost impossible to lose. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Welcome back, all my free thinkers, to another episode of Grow Rich, Grow Happy, that place where we follow the breadcrumbs to wealth. And we're going to be talking about yet another asset on the Canton Network. Now, this is one that people been talking about. And I went on and I bought some, but the only reason that I invested in it is because I did research. You know, in my book, Overcoming Self for Crypto Wealth, you can pick this up over on growrichgrowhappy.com. I mentioned that a community, when you're examining any type of crypto, you also have to look at the community. Is it a strong community? Is it one that's growing, kind of like the Canton Network? And you want to look at their sentiment, how passionate they are about the cryptocurrency that you are holding. And then you want to go and look at all of the other things like the white paper, things like that, things that really either help or hurt the crypto project. Well, I did something with this particular project. And by the way, we're going to be talking about Edel Finance. I have a feeling with that one. Now, those of you who've been watching me as of late, you know I've been saying a lot of that feeling that I get. Sometimes you just know without knowing, and that's not to say that I'm some crypto savant. And when I say I have that feeling that crypto is just going to explode, no, it just has something. That particular crypto I'm looking at has something that other cryptos don't have, and it's the timing is just right for it. That's why we're going to be talking about Edel today. But before we go any further, do me a favor, smash that like button, give me a sub, hit that bell notification so that you don't miss any of these videos, and hype this video if you like information like this. Look down below, get things like a cold storage wallet. No crypto is safe unless it is in your safekeeping. I have a 10% discount on Tangem cold storage wallets. That's the only thing I use. The link is down below, and that 10% does go to support this channel. So without further ado, I want to do something first. We're going to jump over here because I created something I want you guys to look at. Well, when you're in cryptocurrency or just any investment period out there, whether it's stocks or whatever it is, you want to hold the things that have the best chance, in your opinion, to really make you some money. And I've narrowed that down for some time now to the Canton Network and the things that are connected to it. Now, I've done many videos on the Canton Network, but I haven't done one on Edel yet. So, you know, I was talking with a crypto journalist, our researcher, RAZO. We've talked a lot about this over the weekend. And with the things that he enlightened me about and the things that I researched, I really like it. But I made this diagram right here, guys, because I wanted to show you the things that are connected to it right now. There's one that's not on here that I can't find anything on. It's not out yet, but I'm not going to mention it yet until I can get a little bit more information on it. It is a AI play this, I believe, is coming soon to the Canton Network. But if you look at this, so you got Edel Finance, you got Hecto. I've done a couple videos on Hecto. We got T-Rise. I covered T-Rise last week. And of course, we have the unicorn, Handle Pay. Now, this is interesting because all of these, what they have over everything else is they're on the first private blockchain for institutions. Therefore, I look at it just when I look at my own portfolio, and I've moved some things around. Holding these gives me a great opportunity to invest early in this new financial system that is coming. Guys, we are so early when it comes to everything that is starting to fill out now in the market. And I'm going to jump over here real quick for you because, guys, make sure you follow me over on X at Mr. Foresight 64. And then you can follow Edel Finance over there as well, as it is extremely early. But before I jump over here and talk to you a little bit more about them, I want to talk to you real quick. So we got tokenized assets. Now, those who's been following, you see everything is being tokenized now. Bonds, stocks, everything that can be moved onto blockchain is happening. We know what's coming up. Just probably within like a week and a half, you have the things with the DTCC, you see the thing with Broadridge, and everything is being put on chain. So when it comes to tokenized equities and things like that, and stocks, which is where the whole thing with Edel comes in, what you want to ask, and I asked this for the longest, okay, so what? This is back in the day when I seen everything's being tokenized, RWA, everything's being moving on chain. I'm like, then what? Then what are we going to do? And then it hit me. It hit me that this is the whole new system that's being put out in front of us right now. In like 2-3 years, people are going to forget that there was other ways you can invest, and they're going to be looking at ways you can do it online. So when you talk about tokenized stocks, things you can buy already over on Robinhood, I believe you can get tokenized stocks on Kraken and Coinbase. Don't quote me on the Robinhood one, but I do know you can buy these tokenized stocks. Well, once you buy a tokenized stock, that's just saying it's on the blockchain. But then what? Then what? It's tokenized. Well, Dell makes it interesting because they have a platform that's still being built, but you're going to be able to loan those out. And if my calculations are right and the things I'm looking at, people are already doing it. They're loaning out the stocks. Now, not just any stocks. We're talking about stocks that carry interest from the public. So you ain't gonna see like something out there, maybe something that's people not really paying attention to. You're gonna see your high flyers. You're gonna see your Googles. You're gonna see your Microsoft. You're gonna see your Apple, your Teslas, things like that. That high value that people move and trade daily. So the way Edel has it, somebody could come on their website and they can take those tokenized stocks that they have, say maybe 1,000 shares of Apple, and they can put them on their website and loan them out to people. And yes, people do borrow those assets, and then you can make a return on them. That is something new because it is something purely for the blockchain, and it's being done over on the Canton Network in a private environment, something that hedge funds and institutions would love to get in because everybody's not going to be on their business. Now, some of you out there might say, yeah, but that's already happening. It's already happening on blockchain. Yes, but it hasn't happened in a private blockchain before, which makes it more appealing to those high dollar investors out there, which is something you want. So with that, now I want to jump over here. I'm going to show you their platform. Then we're going to talk about their tokenomics and things like that. But their platform here, the liquidity layer for tokenized assets. And it says Edel Lending turns tokenized stocks, indexes, and stablecoins into productive collateral. Supply assets, borrow against exposure, manage portfolio risk, and access programmable lending markets from the non-custodial interface. Guys, this is genius. So, you know, not only is it genius, but it is early. Guys, what we get to invest in, and this is not financial advice, please do your whole research on this, but this is where the future is. This is it right here. Everything is moving on chain, and pretty soon, again, it's going to be 24/7 like crypto is. It's going to be that way for stocks, bonds, and all of that, and it's going to be on chain. This ain't something that's a possibility. This is something that is already in motion. So I took the liberty of going in and doing a little bit more research on it, and I went into the Edel system to show you an example. So here we go here. This is their top movers today, and as I showed you, they got Meta, they got Google. You can loan out your USDC. You got right here Michael Saylor's company. You have SPY. I'm going to click on them, S&P. And if you look here, guys, And I'm unsure if these are frozen right now. I'm unsure if it's released yet, but they are showing it. And according to some documents, people say they are making tens of millions of dollars daily already, but I'm unsure about that. Here's the borrow rate, borrow amount, supplying, all of it's right here, guys. So as you can see, go down here, click on this right here. These are the assets. Indexes right here, stocks. These are the stocks they got. And remember what I said, these are high movers, meaning they're not going to put everything on here because everything on here is not going to make money. They only want the things on here like Amazon. I see they got Circle, all of these, Apple, of course, right there. You got Tesla, Nvidia. Do you see a theme here? Things that are traded in high volume every day. Therefore, if you're someone who holds some of these assets, you can get on here and you can make money by loaning them out. And it's all within a private community. These are the type of projects you want to look at. Now, looking at that, I jump over here because here's the other important piece. Of course, we care about the price. And right now, remember, this is new too. These guys actually came out. Let me go to Max. These guys, for those of you who are wondering, they dropped on November 13th, right after the Canton Network coin drop. So this is something that if it's connected to the Canton Network, what you should start asking yourself, how does it have how does it plug deeper into this new financial system that is coming, or pretty much is already here? And I believe with Edel Finance, it speaks for itself. They have it tied up. They have this whole section tied up. And according to my researcher, and I'm going to jump over here to his article because there's 2 points in the article I want to point out. He says, is Edel Canton Network's hyperliquid? And that's another thing. That's a nice connection. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to look at this. And of course, I'm going to show you guys they have 1 billion market cap. I like the 1 billion market cap because there's a lot of money that can be made off that. Current market cap is only $7 million, guys. That's super early. That's really early. Not earlier than maybe a handle pay, but it's still early nonetheless. Come down here. They have a circulating supply of roughly 60%. That is circulating. So roughly 40% is locked up. I believe I got that feeling about this one because it just speaks to finance for me and where I see everything going. So for those of you curious, $100, and it doesn't take a lot of money to make a lot of money. $100 gets you 8,194 tokens. Of course, the market is down right now, like everything else. So depending on who you are, this is a buy. This is a buy early for buying the dip. Again, I'm not telling you what to buy, but I do know from the comments, a lot of you guys are bullish on the Edel Finance. Last thing I'm going to do, I'm jump over here. Here it is here. Is Edel Finance Canton Network's hyperliquid moment? Now, as always, I leave RAZO's articles down below, but does a lot of impeccable research. And for those of you don't like scouring the internet, you could jump in here, read his article, and you could get a quick once over, but also do your own research as well. But he does do impeccable research. He actually put this out on May 29th, 2026. I'll link it down below. Check it out. It's a quick read. I believe it is 7 minutes. Quick read, guys. Don't be lazy. But I want to come down here. And it says here, here's what you want to pay attention to. Why the opportunity is so large. Look at this. Edel's materials indicate roughly 2.6 trillion, guys, and stocks are already on loan, with intermediaries capturing more than 10 billion in annual securities lending value. Guys, 2.6 trillion. So this ain't something that Edel created. This is something that goes on in the stock market. And a lot of you guys who hold stocks don't even know your stuff is being used. These guys, Edel Finance, have just found a way to bring it on board so that the retail people can actually make some money on doing it themselves when it's already being done to you. And come down here. Edel's argument is that on-chain infrastructure can start to unwind that imbalance. And it says here, legacy markets still depend on broker-controlled rails, opaque pricing, slow settlement, and custody agreements that can allow assets to be reused behind the scenes. So there it is right there. They're already doing it. Why not you guys just make money on it? Now, here's the part I was telling you. They're not choosing just any stock to throw on there. Curated collateral means Edel is not opening the door to every tokenized asset. Its lending pools are designed around higher quality tokenized equities that meet standards for issuer strength, custody, liquidity, and risk. So, guys, let me know, what do you think of Edel Finance? Are you bullish on it? I know a lot of you hold it. And also, the last thing I want to tell you, there are two Edel Finances, but according to the white paper, there's Edel and then there's Edel X. But according to the white paper, they both are the same. It's just Edel can be acquired on the base network over on Coinbase, and Edel X has to be acquired via the Canton Network. We've talked about that many times, guys, as far as getting a Cantex wallet or a Loop wallet, things like that, and purchasing it that way, I believe, or OneSwap. Now, they say that there's no difference between the two, but as my researcher said, if you look closely, there's a slight, very slight price difference. And from what we have figured out, we're thinking that the Edel X, the one you hold on the Canton Network's wallet, is the one that more of the institutions and different things that they link to, because it is within that private sector. Whereas Edel, which is on the base network, is decentralized and everyone could really just go in and see what's going on. So in my eyes and in my researchers' eyes, we hold the Edel X. That's the one I hold because it is private. It is the one that I believe that they link to. As far as buybacks and burns, none of that has been decided yet, or at least they're not talking about it yet, because this is a fresh play. They're still building out the platform, but I'm pretty sure buybacks and burns are going to be coming up soon. But this, again, this is one of those earlier plays, and just like the map I showed you, it all connects back to the Canton Network, which is the network I believe is here to rule. To the next one, this is your boy signing out. Make sure you smash that like button, guys. Give me a sub. Hype this video. I'm out.